Our school, Michael Nagar Shikhaniketan, government sponsored co-ed English medium higher secondary, has taken an excellent initiative in conducting online classes through YouTube channel. Even in this pandemic situation, our school did not step aback in providing and enhancing knowledge to the students. So it's a request to the viewers, please like, comment and subscribe.
What is normal form? We construct normal. That means perpendicular from O on AB. Let us take M. Okay. And let us take this angle B alpha. Let us choose. So, this angle B 90 minus alpha. So, this angle B alpha. Clear? Choose the length of this OM be P, length of the normal. So, from the trigonometry, this is base by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse length A equal to cos alpha. Here, from this triangle BMO, perpendicular P by hypotenuse. Sorry, here I am writing wrong. This is not B, this is P, base by hypotenuse. Now, here P by B, that means perpendicular by hypotenuse equal to sin alpha. So, P equal to A cos alpha, hence A equal to P by cos alpha. Similarly, B equal to P by sin alpha. Clear? So, from this x by A means P by cos alpha plus y by P by sin alpha equal to 1. Clear? So, if we simplify, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. This is the normal form, x cos alpha by y sin alpha equal to P. This is the normal form. Okay. Now, any first degree equation Ax plus By plus C represents straight line. Clear? Any first degree equation represents the straight line. From this first degree equation, Ax plus By plus C equal to 0, compare with normal form. Clear? Normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. The same, this equation and this equation be same. So, if we compare this, x cos alpha, I am writing again x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P, and x into A plus y into B equal to minus C. So, if we compare x So, we may write that A by cos alpha equal to B by sin alpha equal to minus C by P. Clear? So, it must write from the basic concept of the ratio, it is A square plus B square, not clear, it is A square plus B square by root over cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. That means root over A square plus B square cos sin square alpha means 1. So, A by cos alpha equal to A by cos alpha equal to root over this. So, cos alpha equal to A by root over A square plus B square, and sin alpha B by similarly root over A square plus B square. Okay. And C by P minus C by P equal to root over A square plus B square. So, P equal to minus C by root over A square plus B square. Clear? So, x cos alpha means A by root over A square plus B square plus y into B by root over A square plus B square equal to P means minus C by root over A square plus B square. So, from this form we reach this form. Clear? Let us take 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So, the normal form will be 2 by root over 2 square plus 3 square into x plus 3 by root over 2 square plus 3 square into y equal to 5 by root over 2 square plus 3 square. This value represents P, that means the perpendicular, that means the normal. But here there is a very important question arises that P must be positive, because P denotes the length, but CB may be negative or positive. Okay. I will discuss later this theorem C and P. Now, find the angle between the two straight lines. Angle between the two straight lines. Here let us take this line AB and this line BC, mix. This is x axis. Let us take theta 1 and let us take theta 2, let us take phi. So, we know that let us take this y equal to m1x plus c1, this is y equal to m2x plus c2. So, theta 1 equal to phi plus theta 2. So, phi equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. If we take tan from the both side, tan theta 1 minus theta 2. So, tan theta 1 minus theta 2 by 1 plus tan theta 1 tan theta 2. So, tan phi be m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. But there is a question here, phi denotes the angle between the two straight line, but here this angle, let us take phi dash, may be the angle between the two straight line. Here phi dash be 180 degree minus phi. So the formula is not correct. This formula will be plus minus, because tan 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta lies on the second quadrant, but here the second quadrant we know that this is the quadrant of sine positive, but here tan negative. So tan phi, that means angle between the two straight line, be plus minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, but we use mod. If we use mod, this must be positive, okay. Otherwise this omits, and we must write tan phi equal to m1 difference m2. Difference means 3 minus 5 or 5 minus 3, that is very clear, but the mod value remains same, okay. 1 plus m1 m2. But here if this two straight line lies perpendicularly, when the two straight line perpendicular, the angle between these two straight line makes angle theta and its value be 90 degree, and we know that the value of tan 90 be undefined. So denominator here 1 plus m1 plus m2, the value of the denominator will be 0, okay. That means tan phi be undefined. 1 plus m1 m2 equal to 0, so m1 m2 equal to minus 1. That is a formula. Then when the two straight line lies perpendicularly, that means the product of the gradient be minus 1, and when the two straight line lies on the parallel means here makes angle 0 degree, and we know that tan 0 equal to 0. So m1 minus m2, that means the numerator m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, the numerator m1 minus m2 will be 0, and m1 equal to m2. So there is a two condition forms when the two straight line parallel. That is a very important case, m1 equal to m2, and when the two straight line perpendicular to each other, that means m1 minus m1 minus m2 will be minus 1. But the another form of the perpendicularly or the parallelism, we must write, let us take ax plus by, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that is this is a line, and here this line be parallel to this line. So this the equation of this line be ax plus by plus lambda equal to 0, lambda be any constant, and also if this line be perpendicular to that line, so this equation will be bx minus ay plus k equal to 0, that means k be constant, k be any constant. Now let us check it is wrong or right. Here ax plus by plus lambda equal to 0, ax plus by plus lambda equal to 0, so by equal to minus x minus lambda, so y equal to minus a by b into x minus lambda by b. Here slope is minus a by b, and let us check by equal to minus x minus c, y equal to minus a by b into x minus c by b. Now observe that these two, a minus a by b and minus a by b, the two slope be slim, and in this way if we try to solve bx minus ay, here bx plus k equal to ay, so y equal to b by a into x plus k by a, b by a minus a by e into b by a equal to minus 1. This is very clear. So when the two straight line perpendicular to each other, the product of the gradients b minus 1. Let us take one example. Here, this is the very important portion, and you should have to understand clearly this portion. Okay. Let us chase a line is passing through any point 2, 3, and it is parallel to that line. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Now, this equation will be 2x plus 3y plus lambda equal to 0. If we put the value of x, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus lambda equal to 0. So, 4 plus 9 plus lambda equal to 0. So, lambda equal to minus 13. So, this equation B 2x plus 3y minus 13 equal to 0, and perpendicular of this line. If we draw perpendicular, so this line will be 3x minus 2y plus k equal to 0, and it is passing, if it is passing, let us choose any point 1 comma minus 3, let us choose. So, 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus 3 plus k equal to 0. So, 3 plus 6 plus k equal to 0. So, k equal to minus 9. So, this equation will be 3x minus 2y minus 9, it will be 0. Clear? Here, this is a very important form. Now, another concept, but comes from this concept. Here, we find perpendicular distance. Let us choose P x1 y1 ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance from P on AB, B ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Clear? Now, take some, I will discuss the next day from the basic theorem of the perpendicular distance from normal form, but here you remember that this formula perpendicular distance. Now, choose one example. Let us take 2, 3, and here the equation of the line 4x plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So, PMB 4 into 2 plus 5 into 3 plus 6 by root over 4 square plus 5 square, but you must have to choose the modulus value because perpendicular distance can't be negative. Clear? But this is, if we solve this, we will get the perpendicular forms. The next day I will discuss about this formula, but now today I will give some hints about this formula. Here, any line be chosen x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, if this line be parallel to that line, so slope be same and the distance be p. Let us p double dash or k or lambda be chosen. This type of this formula I will discuss next day. Thank you.
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.